Well, hello. Today we're going to make a fried shrimp platter. We're in the Big Easy. Let's get started. Well, we're going to get rolling here doing our fried shrimp plate. I got a kind of a unorthodox way of breading my shrimp, okay, or breading my fish or whatever, but I've got my shrimp in the egg wash here, and I run it through a strainer right here. Kind of let it drip off a little bit. I'm using Easter pails that we use for the grandkids to put their Easter candy in. It fits the strainer just right. Okay, and then I dump the shrimp in. Okay, kind of mix it up a little bit. Okay, then I'm actually dumping into this strainer here. And shake it out, and you end up with shrimp. Okay, then we'll go into the deep fryer with them. We're frying our shrimp at 350. I'm using peanut oil, and it doesn't take very long for the shrimp to cook at all. We're going to go ahead and dump another group of shrimp into the egg wash. You can hear the shrimp frying there. Give them a little shake here. Again, it doesn't take long at all, okay, for the shrimp to come out. We'll get back with you when they come out. We're going to go ahead and fry another batch of shrimp. Pour it in the strainer here. Again, my kind of unorthodox way of doing this. You let it drain a little bit. And into the batter. Into the fish fry. Again, this is Zatarain's fish fry. Time we shake it off. Then we put it in the basket. There we go. Now, we're ready for another one. So I kind of swap this up, move it over, do this. And then I put another load of shrimp in the wash. Kind of a little process I got going here. Okay. We're going to go ahead and fry all these shrimp up, and we'll be back when we're done. We're ready to come out with this batch of shrimp. They're kind of talking to me and making that little poppy sound that they make. And we're going to go ahead and dump them on the pan here. We're going to go with one more batch. I know my system looks a little crazy, but it works for me. We'll see you in a few. We've got our last group of shrimp coming out. I'm going to go ahead and shake the grease off of them. So we've cooked a whole pile of shrimp here. It's going to be way more than we need on the plate or the platter of shrimp. But my family loves seafood, and we cooked some fish earlier. So we'll put the fish with the shrimp, and they'll have a lot to eat. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and build our plate. We've put some buttered bread, we put some fries, and we put a couple of hush puppies in here. We're going to go ahead and add some shrimp. There we go, look at that. Man, isn't that pretty? Forgot the tartar sauce. We're gonna walk off camera here real quick and grab the tartar sauce. Some people like to dip their shrimp in tartar sauce. Some people don't. And that's our shrimp plate or shrimp platter. We'll be back in a minute, and we'll go ahead and do a tasting. Well, it's that time. It's tasting time. I love me some fried shrimp. We're gonna go ahead now. I like tartar sauce, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. That's tender. They're good. Give us a like, share our recipes, tell your friends, save us with the rest of the videos that you like, and we'll see you on the next one.